Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Biscoff Rice Krispy Treats. Let's begin. So to start on the recipe you'll want to grab yourself a large saucepan, and into the saucepan place your marshmallows, your Biscoff spread and your butter, and place them on the hob over a medium heat. And then you'll want to let it melt a bit first, and then as it starts to melt give it a good stir. Keep stirring it until everything is smooth and just consistent. It'll go from being various colours to this rather beigey looking light brown colour, which is what you want. Give it a good stir down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in, and then you can pour it directly over your bowl of Rice Krispies. Please make sure that you are using a large bowl, otherwise this will get very messy very quickly. And then you can just start to incorporate the marshmallow mixture with the Rice Krispies by folding it in with a spatula. It is a bit difficult at first, but once you start to incorporate it, it gets easier. Try and make sure that they are all evenly coated, and just before you're finished, you'll want to add in some broken up Lotus Biscoff biscuits. You will then want to grab your 8-inch square tin that has been lined with some parchment paper and just place the mixture directly in there. Don't worry, you will be compressing it down so it fits better. You will just want to start by pressing the mixture so it's going into all of the corners and trying to get as level as possible. You may find that using a spatula or a palette knife works best, but I also found using this cake smoother works really well to press it down and get it a little more level. Once you've done that, you can then take some Biscoff spread and just melt it down. I wish I had used slightly more, but feel free to alter the amount as you don't want too much on top as it'll be quite sickly. Just pour that on top and then level it off as best you can using a small spatula or a palette knife, whichever works best for you. And for an additional finish you can start to place some Lotus Biscoff biscuits on top. I put 8 as there'll be 8 portions, which is quite big portions, so feel free to cut them in half again and then you'll have 16 smaller portions, but again how you cut it is completely up to you. You can then place this in the fridge until the Biscoff mixture on top has firmed up, and then you can cut them up however you like. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more recipes for you. So in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be links to my blog and this recipe directly, and my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there as I'm trying to post more. But yeah, until next time, bye guys.